they want you as a fan or even
My name is Sandeep Chopra and I work for Azure Power and head up the strategy function for the company. We are one of the largest solar IPPs in the country with assets spread in different parts of India. With over 100 odd megawatts of assets under different stages of development, we are one of the largest IPPs in the solar space. We are actually pioneers of kind. Our CEO Inderpreet Wadhwa founded this company in 2007, where we set up our first megawatt scale solar power plant in India. Incidentally, we've now also become the first company to have set up a megawatt scale aggregated rooftop solar project in India. So as we are looking to the future, there are multiple challenges that are coming up in the industry, which we are tackling through strategic initiatives and different business models. So largely speaking, we've got three verticals that we operate under. Our bread and butter is around the utility space, which is basically where our size comes from. However, over a period of last 4 to 5 years, the tariffs have actually started falling. Over and above that, to mitigate this risk of reduction in tariffs, we've also got two other verticals that we've initiated this year. One is the rooftop solar, and like I articulated, we've got around one of the largest megawatt scale rooftop project operating in Gandhinagar today. With over 200 rooftops under operations, we are one of the largest rooftop operators in the country. Over and above that, the third vertical that we are focusing on is rural electrification, which is a vertical that is focusing on setting up microgrids in rural India. Because we definitely believe that servicing the bottom of the pyramid is a significant opportunity, which can in the coming years. A large part of Indian spaces, Indian rural areas do not even have transmission lines, and that's an opportunity that we want to encash. With over 300 days of sunlight, this is a natural fit. Having said that, it's not a smooth journey in this area. There are a lot of challenges in terms of who would be the customer, how would the payments be recovered, how do you set up the plant, how do you size the plant, and of course logistics. Having said that, we genuinely believe in this opportunity and are working towards it. And in the future, some of the challenges that we are trying to meet are obviously funding for some of our new ventures around rooftops and microgrids. We are very, very sure with the steps the government of India is taking, it's only a matter of time that these issues will get resolved. So from our perspective, I think the future is quite promising. It's just that we need to kind of execute on our plans as efficiently as we can. Even on the rooftop portfolio, we just recently concluded a multi-city deal with one of the largest real estate companies in India. I won't name the company because of privacy issues. We are also in advanced talks with some of the largest corporate clients in the country, especially trying to address the corporate social responsibility agenda of these companies. Most of the people are aware that under the new companies bill, there is an obligation on companies beyond a particular threshold to spend some amount of money under CSR, and that's where we are trying to position ourselves to address that need for our commercial customers. So the future looks bright. All the three verticals are growing. Even on the utility scale projects, we won our bids in every state that we participated. So this year we participated in Punjab, we won that bid, 34 megawatts. We participated in UP, we won that bid, another 10 megawatts. And there as well. And hopefully we should be able to bid and win those projects as well.